students, this is Pawan Jain. Today I am going to solve board questions of topic differentiation for class 12 CBSE. Okay, so let us take first question. If x raised to power y minus y raised to power x is equal to a raised to power v, find dy upon dx. Okay, so let us take solution of this question. First, x raised to power y minus y raised to power x is equal to a raised to power v. So suppose u is equal to, let u is equal to x raised to power y and v is equal to y raised to power x. So we can write here d upon dx of u, d upon dx of u minus d upon dx of v is equal to d upon dx of a raised to power v. Okay, so here u is equal to x raised to power y. तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में हम क्या करते हैं, पहले लॉग लेते हैं दोनों साइड में, उसके बाद डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं. सो टेकिंग लॉग बोथ द साइड, सो log u इज इक्वल टू y log x. ओके, ये लॉग में जो पावर होती है वो मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाती है. नाउ डिफरेंशिएट बोथ द साइड्स, सो वी गेट 1 upon u, log u means 1 upon u and du upon dx is equal to, here we apply product rule. So first function y as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x is as it is and differentiation of y is dy upon dx. Okay, now u को उधर पहुंचाते हैं, तो we get du upon dx is equal to u times of this, u की वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं एंड हियर u इज x raised to power y upon x plus log x and dy upon dx. Okay, suppose this is equation first. Now again v is equal to y raised to power x, so take differentiate both the sides. So again v is equal to y raised to power x, taking log both the sides, we get log v is equal to x log y. Okay, now differentiate both the sides, we get log v means 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to, here we apply product rule, so x as it is, log y is 1 upon y and dy upon dx plus log y as it is and differentiation of x is 1. Okay, so again v को उधर पहुंचाते हैं और v की वैल्यू भी साथ में पुट कर देते हैं. सो dv upon dx is equal to v times value of v is y raised to power x. So here x upon y dy upon dx plus log y. Okay, now putting these values of du upon dx and dv upon dx in equation this much, first equation. Okay, and this is suppose second equation and this is suppose third equation. So put the value du upon dx this much. Now put from equation first, second and third. So put the value of du upon dx. Here du upon dx is x raised to power y raised to power x plus log x into dy upon dx minus dv upon dx, here dv upon dx y raised to power x upon y dy upon dx plus log y is equal to d upon dx of a raised to power b. This is constant, so certainly this is 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. Now collect dy upon dx. So I am taking dy upon dx is common from here. Okay, now x raised to power y upon x. So this is x raised to power y minus 1 into y plus x raised to power y into log x dy upon dx minus y raised to power x upon y. So this is y raised to power x minus 1 into x dy upon dx minus y raised to power x into log y is equal to 0. Now collect dy upon dx from here. So taking common dy upon dx, we get x raised to power y into log x minus y raised to power x minus 1 into x is equal to, उसको इस साइड में भेजते हैं. So this becomes positive y raised to power x log y minus x raised to power y minus 1 into y. So dy upon dx is equal to y raised to power x into log y minus x raised to power y minus 1 into y upon x raised to power y log x minus y raised to power x minus 1 into x. So this is the value of dy upon dx. Okay, तो स्टूडेंट्स ये था क्वेश्चन 2019 का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं 2019 का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. If y is equal to sin inverse x whole square, y is equal to this much, and we have to prove 1 minus x square d square y upon dx square minus x into dy upon dx minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so differentiate both the sides. We get dy upon dx is equal to 2 sin inverse x into differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon 1 minus x square under root. Okay, transfer this side, so we get 1 minus x square under root dy upon dx is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Okay, again differentiate both the sides. So here we will use product rule. So 1 minus x square as it is, and differentiation of dy upon dx is d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx as it is, and differentiation of 1 minus x square under root, this is 1 upon 2 1 minus x square under root into differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x is equal to differentiation of sin inverse x 2 as it is, and this is 1 upon 1 minus x square. Okay, 2 से 2 कैंसिल कर दीजिए. Now 1 minus x square d square y upon dx square plus this is minus, so we get minus x dy upon dx into 1 up minus here 1 minus x square under root, okay, is equal to 2 upon 1 minus x square under root. Okay, now take 1 minus x square LCM. So we get 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square. So this is 1 minus x square d square y upon dx square minus x dy upon dx is equal to 2 upon 1 minus x square. Okay, so this is cancel out. So we get 1 minus x square into d square y upon dx square minus x dy upon dx here minus 2 is equal to 0. ये हमको प्रूव करना था तो स्टूडेंट्स ये थे क्वेश्चन 2019 डिफरेंशिएशन के. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल टेक क्वेश्चंस ऑफ 2018 डिफरेंशिएशन. ओके, थैंक यू.